By now, you should have received an email letting you know the 2021-2022 Bay East membership bill is now available. Bay East dues cover membership, MLS, and key services for July 2021 to June 2022 and will be due June 16th. Many members have expressed their appreciation for the 8-installment payment plan Bay East implemented in 2020, and we are thrilled to share that this will remain an option for 2021-2022. The minimal CPI increase in your dues will allow Bay East to continue to provide the extensive benefits and services members find so valuable, including technical support, virtual computer repair, and monthly housing statistics. Let me show you how to pay your dues bill online. The first thing you want to do after going to bayeast.org is to log into the website using the name and password that you use for Paragon. If you need help logging in, call our technical support team at 925-730-7100. Now click on Pay My Bill on the top of the screen. You will see the payment button in the menu area on the left side of the screen. To read a recap of changes to dues for 2021-2022, click on Billing Information. To pay your dues, click on the Pay My Bill button. You will see a recap of your dues for 2021-2022. You can print out your invoices by clicking the Print Invoice button. These may include national, state, and local dues, MLS fees, Supra Key fees, affiliate dues, and/or RAF and foundation contributions based on your membership type. If you are a realtor and/or have an MLS subscription with Bay East, you have two options when paying your dues. Plan A. Realtor members pay all the dues and fees you owe except the RAA and RAF payments, which cannot be paid until December. Plan B is the installment plan made up of 8 installment payments payable monthly, beginning in June and ending in January of 2022. If you choose option B, you will automatically be enrolled in AutoPay to facilitate future payments. On this screen, you have the option to enroll in the Education Advantage Plan, which is $20 for the year. Finally, read the legal notices and disclosures regarding billing statement and check the box that indicates you have read it. Once this is done, you can click on the button to continue to process your payment. The last screen is where you will enter your credit card information and click on the Process Payment button to complete the transaction. As soon as your payment has been processed, you will be sent a confirmation thanking you for renewing your Bay East membership. If you have any questions about paying your dues, please call the Bay East Accounting Department at 925-730-1070. Thanks for watching.